If you've ever tried turning your image into anime style with Midjourney, you already know that the generated images doesn't look good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn any image into an anime style with Midjourney AI. Since anime comes in so many different looks, I'll walk you through several methods so you can figure out which one works best for you. So let's head over to the Midjourney website. Click on the image icon in the prompt box. Make sure you select the image prompt option, then upload your photo. Once it's uploaded, you want to write a very simple prompt. Just describe the person and add the words anime style. You can edit the settings, but I'm going to keep everything on default. Then just hit enter. I'll speed up the generation so you don't have to wait. And here are the results. As you can see, Midjourney gives us something that looks like anime, but it's also very realistic. The eyes are a little strange, the face shape has changed, even the hair looks different. This is anime style, but it's very close to realism. If you don't mind the character changing, this might work. But for most people, this isn't really the style they're looking for. So let's move on to method number 2. This time we're going to reduce the image weight using the same photo and prompt. Add --IW 0.5. Hit regenerate. Now look at this. The style is very different, less realistic, more exaggerated, but it doesn't really look like the original character anymore. This method allows you to use your photo as an inspiration. It gives you a unique anime look, but you lose the character consistency. Some people will say this doesn't look like anime, but it's just one of the many anime styles. Method number 3 is where things get interesting. Here we're going to use an sref code. Just in case you don't know, sref codes are numbers you can add to your prompt that tell Midjourney exactly what style to use. I'm going to use the same details again, but this time include an anime style code. Just look at the difference. Now it looks like the anime style most people are familiar with. It has big eyes, V-shaped face, and simple colors. The face changes a lot, but the vibe is completely anime. But what if you actually want to keep your character the same? That's where method number 4 comes in. For this, we'll use the Retexture tool. You should head over to the editor page. Click Retexture option at the top. Upload your image again. I'll be using the same prompt. Then hit Submit Retexture. Here's the result. Even though there are some errors, this one is much better. The image stays about 80 to 90% the same, while still looking like anime. It's not perfect, but it's way closer to the original photo. And if you want to go even further, just add an sref code here. To do this, select the original image, paste the prompt with the sref code, and regenerate. As you can see, this is another anime style that looks really cute. It's less realistic, but it perfectly captures the anime vibe with better character and content consistency. When you find the image you like, don't forget to save it. Midjourney's editor doesn't automatically store them. To do so, you should scroll down. You'll see the option to either upscale to gallery or directly download it. That's the only way you won't lose your work. So there you go. These are the different methods you can use to turn your images into anime style with Midjourney. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.